Now to football, as after finishing in the last 8 in the CONCACAF Championship, the U17 Reggae Girlz returned to the island on Saturday. Karen Madden reports.
The young Reggae Girlz went into the tournament on the back of disruptions brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic, but put up a gutsy display. And though they missed out on a place in the FIFA Under-17 World Cup, they felt they gained valuable experience in the Dominican Republic. Captain Danique Wilson put into words the feelings of the team.
I'm very pleased with their performance. It was very hard. The tournament was very hard and competitive, but we went out there and did our best.
And Wilson, who had 3 goals in the tournament, assessed her own performance.
No, I did what I could. I played defensive midfield, so I just scored the goals that I could have scored. It is very important, as some of us will move on to the next level, and I think this experience is very important to most of us, so that we can be more, we know how to work more as a team from this experience, and I think it was good.
Head of delegation James Pearson was pleased with the determination shown by the team.
Well, it has been 2 long weeks. The girls, the Excel, they did extremely well actually. Got to the quarterfinals, and we could not make it past the USA, but it's one of those things. But honestly, it was work well done, well put together, and the girls executed.
According to Pearson, the mission now is to keep the young players as a cohesive unit.
Well, what next is to try and keep the girls here together, to try and maintain them and to show best. Those who can transition will transition to the other squads. But we will have to maintain these girls as best as possible from the GFF side. It's a must.
The Under-17 girls defeated Bermuda 7-0, the Dominican Republic 3-1, and drew 1-1 with Canada in the group stages of the competition before running out 4-0 winners over Cuba in the round of 16. They then fell 4-0 to eventual finalist the United States in their quarterfinal tie. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.